NaijaFoodTube.
Hi people, you're welcome to NaijaFoodTube. My name is Kenny. Today I'll be sharing with you how I prepare my tasty crunchy buns. What is it not to like about Nigerian buns? Crunchy on the outside, fluffy and spongy on the inside. For today's recipe, I'll be using all-purpose flour, milk, melted butter, baking powder, vanilla flavor, sugar, salt, fresh eggs, cinnamon powder. I'll start by cracking 3 eggs into a bowl. I'll use my egg whisk and mix well. I will set this aside. I will make a hole in the middle of my flour with a spatula. I'll add the baking powder, I'll add sugar, I'll add half spoon of salt, I'll add cinnamon powder and mix thoroughly. After mixing all my dry ingredients, I'm going to start adding my liquid ingredients. I'll add a whisk egg, I'll pour the melted butter, I'll add vanilla flavor and give it a thorough mix. I'll continue mixing until I get my desired texture. I'll add milk and mix until I get my, desired consistency. I actually want my dough to look a particular way. So this is what it looks like after mixing well. Yeah, on to the next one. You don't want to put your gas or your cooker on a very high heat so that your buns will get burnt at the end of the day. I'll drop the dough into the oil in a round shape with my hand. You have to create a round shape, with your hand, one after the other. I will turn the buns from time to time to avoid it getting burnt. You can easily get your buns burnt if you don't do this. Don't keep turning from time to time. Yeah, I'll keep frying till it turns golden brown on a low heat. I repeat, because if the cooker is on a very high heat, what will happen is that the buns will not really fry. It will only fry on the outside, and the inside will be so fresh, like it won't fry well. I will strain my buns from the vegetable oil and set aside. I will repeat the process until I'm done with the remaining dough. I will also use my strainer to strain the vegetable oil and set aside. As you can see, my buns look cracked and crunchy on the outside, and it's looking very fluffy and spongy on the inside. This is what a real Nigerian buns should look like. This is how I make my tasty crunchy Nigerian buns. So please try this at home. It's very easy to make as long as you get your mixture right, and let me know how it goes.